For spine capsule or cat-cow pails and rails, you're going to grab flexion here, so pulling your belly up. And for this one, you're going to push your hands and knees away from each other. So generally, make sure you're ramping that tension up gradually. And what it feels like is you are trying to kind of tighten the muscles along the backside of your body down on top of that arch, if that makes sense. And you kind of accomplish that by pushing away with the hands and the knees. And then for the extension position, you're going to do the opposite. You're going to pull your hands and your knees towards each other. If you would like to do this for mobility, you'll hold the stretch position for a minute and then do PAILs, pushing away. You could rails in the same position. So for rails, you'll pull in here and you'll push away here. Hopefully that makes sense. So again, then you'll hold a better position for another minute. So minute stretch, PAILs and rails, minute stretch. For flexion, PAILs is pushing away and rails is pulling towards. For extension, PAILs is pulling towards, rails is pulling away. Okay, hope that makes sense. If you're just doing this as a superset, you're going to get into the position, get comfortable for about 10 seconds, and then do a 10-second PAILs contraction, which again in flexion is pushing away, and extension is pulling in. And then maybe give one more little cat-cow afterwards, pop up, go about your exercise.